Try the white one. That's where all my luck's been,
Oh,
Hunter.
it's not yours though. It's mine.
I said try the white one. I never said it wasn't mine. But if you get permission, yeah, you know.
Yeah, what?
Don't trade. Even though this one's like 100 awesome times better. Mhm.
You should like post it.
I will.
Like add music, just that part.
Oh, I probably will. I can always edit.
Like just add music. I think I was right there.
Try with the blue one. I'll be in the kitchen. Cooking all night long. Really, Henry, you trying to do this?
No.
Oh, that's our new trick, though.
No, I'm trying to do this.
You're still trying to do that? Oh, you're trying to do that. Well, I'm doing this one.
For the vampire bat, superpowered ears are also its eyes.
Okay, did you guys just see that?
And they
I did this.
astonishing ways.
Just like
I
that.
hate this.
Hey, how you
I
kill
literally want to quit. The only thing I can do right now is plants.
plants? So,
Dusk, when the day ends,
you gotta try again. Till you get it.
the vampire bat's day begins.
Oh, and he's just making highlight reels over there.
They leave their roost in search of food.
Well, I'm making highlight video.
They're making highlight reels.
They rely on a special trick of hearing called
Plant.
echolocation
Called it, plant.
to
Oh,
understand
done.
what's around them.
Well, I just did this.
It's a high-pitched noise.
That's not what I did.
Noise registers
No, I didn't.
beyond
I'm
the
doing
range of
this.
human hearing. But it travels outward from the bat's mouth, hits the animal.
That would have been awesome if I did that.
These sounds then tell the bat what's around it.
I'm making highlight videos, people.
Fast enough to let it fly through
My cousin, he's real good at plant though.
trees,
He's just breaking himself down. I don't know why either. Look at him.
like the peckers. This bat's size
There's
is
no where I'll edit all this out. If he don't start doing anything, I'll edit him out. Unless I got some good shots.
Then you'll just look weird because you're talking to yourself.
I can always edit my voice out too. I'm editing my voice out too.
No, you're still moving your lips though. Oh!
I can make it to where I can move my lips. Editing
Don't
all
just
this. Could you please get off the thing? This makes me uncomfortable like I'm gonna hit you.
See? There we go. There we go. Now we're even. He can't even land one.
Land on what? What am I trying? Because I can land everything. Hey,
She makes an incision to draw blood.
mine.
It's like Jesus in the Bible. I'll kiss the one's forehead. That is the bad. Hey, that's true.
I'm trying.
You're trying to not talk? You're talking right now.
For bats, smaller prey is usually more manageable.
Nothing but highlights. Hi, who knows what NBA stands for?
Nothing
No.
but Africans.
That rat. I'd like to see an NBA star try to do this. Try all doing all that stuff.
Fishing
Try all
bats
that
also
knowledge.
use echolocation.
Try all that all this stuff. This. Oh,
This sensor
I'll
that they can hear fish.
I'll get that. I'll get that one. I'll get that one. You know what I can?
Use that sound.
Get that.
Your book.
The fish turn around. Oh, okay.
Fish rises close enough
Really
to
hard?
the surface.
I'll easily edit you out. Dalton.
You should edit that to make it sound like I slapped you big time. Totally.
Ooh.
Totally.
Ha ha ha.
Impressive display of timing and wing agility. The bat's skills
Nice.
picking off fish with its long
Oh, chill.
I'm trying to just flip it and then catch it on the cap, not really spinning it.
But if he was,
That would be really funny.
yes, which I'm trying to do.
Oh!
using echolocation and other
I think I got it.
Nope, it went on the video. Don't even stop.